In the chaotic world of vacation rentals, double bookings can turn holiday dreams into nightmares for guests. Hostfully's channel management tool emerged as a hero, wiping out double bookings and reducing vacancies for property managers. Meet Osa Property Management, a dedicated vacation rental firm nestled in the lush jungles of Costa Rica. Led by Nick Halverson, OPM expertly manages over 15 diverse properties, catering to vacationers seeking tropical escapes. OPM's commitment to transparent financial reporting sets them apart in a market filled with ambiguity and confusion. This innovative team helps foreign investors maneuver through the complexities of Costa Rican land development bureaucracy. Before Hostfully, managing bookings involved time-consuming spreadsheets, risking errors and frustrating both guests and staff. Nick often juggled multiple platforms, a process that led to some painful double booking experiences and disorganization. One memorable Christmas Eve incident left Nick humiliated when he mistakenly double booked a property for a family. Determined to prevent future disasters, he sought a tech solution that could streamline operations with ease and efficiency. Transitioning to the Hostfully Property Management Platform, PMP, allowed OPM to conquer the chaos of overbookings. With the new system in place, Nick could effortlessly manage listings across Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com simultaneously. The result? A staggering increase in booking potential and a significant reduction in vacancy rates for OPM. Beyond improving bookings, Hostfully has transformed the workflow, allowing cleaner and contractor scheduling with a click. No longer burdened by mismatched availability, OPM can focus on enhancing guest experiences and maximizing properties' potential. Nick discovered that coordination and communication became remarkably simplified through the centralized Hostfully calendar. The key to OPM's success lies not only in avoiding double bookings, but also in elevating operational efficiency profoundly. With features like automated messaging and digital guidebooks, Hostfully enhances both guest experience and OPM's bottom line. As OPM continues to grow, they aim to expand their portfolio, fueled by technology and a relentless commitment to service. In the realm of vacation rental management, embracing innovation opens doors to new possibilities and heightened success. Empower your property management journey with Hostfully, the bridge to efficiency, satisfaction, and income like never before.